Hi, Walden. I was hoping that I could help you out with the quiz question that you had. And first, I want to go over order of operation. A lot of people use the PEMDAS method because we solve anything in the parentheses first, then exponents, multiplication, division, and then it says addition and subtraction. Now, sometimes the reason why I don't love this is because it can get a little confusing because it has addition before subtraction. But the rule is actually addition and subtraction, which means you move from the left to the right and add or subtract whichever comes first. Same thing with the multiplication and division. So it's not multiplication before division, it's multiplication or division, whichever comes first. Same thing with addition and subtraction. If an addition comes first, you're going to do that before the subtraction. Here's a little chart that I love explaining it. As you can see right here, this is the multiplication and division, okay? You're going to go from left to right there, whichever comes first. Addition and subtraction is the same. So if subtraction comes first in the problem, you would do that before you add. So using this rule, let's take a closer look at the problem that you sent me. Okay, here is the problem that you sent me. Now, it says, what is the value of the expression? I see right here that there is a subtraction and an addition. Now, according to the rules of the orders of operation, addition and subtraction, we're going to solve from left to right depending on which is first. So first, we see that it is 42 minus 9. Well, 42 minus 9. Let's go ahead and solve that. 42 minus 9 gives me 33. Then what I would do is I would add the 3. 33 plus 3 equals 36. So I do see how you got the 30 is because you added the 9 plus 3 first. But remember, with addition and subtraction or subtraction and addition, you solve whichever comes first from left to right. And in this case, you're going to subtract first. I hope this helps.